Picture the world we live in. A world of high rises and skyscrapers, roads that stretch to the horizon and beyond. Now, imagine that world transitioning, transforming, rising up into the skies, into the vast expanse of the cloud. This is the world of Azure Cloud Server Administration, a world where you hold the reins of the digital universe. Step into a realm where you're the hero, the cloud hero. A realm where every command, every line of code, every server you manage is a step towards leading the tech revolution. You're not just learning the ropes, you're pulling the strings, shaping the future of the digital world. Imagine being the maestro, orchestrating the symphony of data, the guardian of the cloud, the architect of the digital framework. In this world of Azure, you're designing the future, building the next generation of cloud servers. Your mentor in this journey is none other than Professor Brown Bear. With his wisdom and guidance, you'll uncover the secrets of server kernels, the marvels of cloud orchestration. Each lesson is a step on the stairway to your destiny, your future as a cloud hero. But this journey is not just about gaining skills, it's about the thrill. The thrill of solving real-world problems, of securing networks, of making the digital world a safer, more efficient place. With Azure at your fingertips, your potential is limitless. So, are you ready to join the elite, to dance to the rhythm of innovation and success? This is your call to action, your invitation to greatness. Be a part of our cloud administration tribe. Commit to the cause, ignite your passion, and together, we can shape the future. Enroll in W24 in 2054 G10 Windows Server Admin today and embark on your journey. The cloud isn't just the limit, it's the beginning. We look forward to welcoming you, our future cloud hero in class.